Preparing a whole chicken usually takes a few hours, but this teriyaki whole chicken is the perfect solution for anyone with a busy schedule.
How do you make a whole chicken in just 30 minutes? Let's find out!
Use kitchen shears to cut out the backbone to spatchcock the chicken. Then cut a notch into the breastbone. Ta-da! By doing so, the cooking time is reduced by about half. We'll use mirin today. It's a type of Japanese sweet rice wine. It's available in most Asian supermarkets. You can also get it from many superstores like Walmart and Amazon. In a bowl, add the mirin, sake, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, and chicken stock. In a pan over high heat, add the oil. Place the chicken inside, skin side down. Pan fry for about 1 minute until golden brown. Flip the chicken and cook for another 1 minute until golden brown. This is going to be so delicious. Add the garlic. Cook for a few seconds until aromatic. Over medium-low heat, add the sauce inside. Cover the lid and braise the chicken for about 20 minutes until completely cooked through. If your chicken is heavier, add a few more minutes.
Here is a little test for you. What did I do to the chicken to reduce the cooking time by about half? Please comment below.
Over high heat, uncover the lid and reduce the sauce for about 2 minutes. Constantly pour the sauce over the chicken. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. See, you can make something super tasty at home even when you have a very busy schedule.
Absolutely perfect.
Home cooking is healthier, and it allows you to reconnect with your loved ones. Happy cooking and enjoy!
This is shockingly delicious. It's so juicy, so tender. The teriyaki sauce, amazing. If you like to make soy sauce chicken in just 30 minutes, check out the video right here. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.